And hello guys, today you're watching CB Bricks YouTube channel, and this is his brother. Do you know the Lego that he found yesterday? That was 2025. Today it's 2026, right? Oh, sorry. My camera is broken right now. I have a cracked screen, so I'm a content creator. So we are just opening Uno No Mercy. This is just the only part 1 in this video, and it currently have 168 cards. And this is the rules. Yeah, you all knew the rules. So currently I was gonna make a video of my other Uno, but this gotta be part 2, guys. So I'll open it and show you the card, guys. This is all the card. Yeah. Know this, that. Oh, you're gonna probably know this, right? Or this. Wait. I'll show you all of these cards. That. You know this card, right? That. Oh, you probably know this, that. We need to fast this because my video is only 30 seconds long. Oh, minutes. 3 minutes long. Oh, this is currently favorite card. Plus 10. And this. Plus 6. Okay, oh, you know this card a lot, guys. I think that's all of them. So, subscribe for part 2. This is not my account. My account was deleted. I have 42 subscribers, but I lost the account. So, see you guys.